Welcome to another video. I can see there are good models here. There is no description about if they are good or no, but let's find out. First, we have two troublesome trucks. Tomy. Nice. Then we have a sort of power van. Trackmaster Revolution diesel, and it takes two AAA batteries. Oh, look at that, guys. Works. Great. Trackmaster Revolutions Charlie 2013, I think. Yes. Also takes two AAA batteries. And it's working. Great. Actually, these models had a little use, not a lot of use. Good. Next, we have Gator or Gator, whatever you like, a Gator. Eh? Anyways, this in Spanish, you are not asking, but this means alligator or crocodile. Takes two AAA batteries, and look at that. Good. So far, so good. Good finds. It was a good deal, let me tell you. Great. Gator. What do you guys think about this model? This one is a Hitoy company. It says Ben Bill 2006, but it's Bill. And I will give it a 9.5. It's for the age, very good. And this mod, oh, it comes with a battery. Does it work? No, the battery is dead. Just a little bit of corrosion that can be fixed with, oh, look at that, works. And actually, I'm gonna a little loud. Yeah, let's fix it. Okay, what we gotta do is we need to replace this cog. Yeah, this one right here. Cogs from here. You put it back. Hold on, there is something in here. Good. All right, much better bill. I'm gonna say very nice bill. Here is Molly. Molly is 2004 Tomy. This one's kind of heavy and it's missing the side rods. Yeah, it does have a battery. No. Works. Oh, there is a little noisy. Let's fix it. Remove 4 screws. Now the motor. Oh, now the motor. Yeah, a little noisy. Look at that hair build up. Now pull. That is a lot. Twisted O-ring or tire. That's good. Now let's change this cog. Yep. These are not supposed to come easily. This is a new one, so it's really hard. Press fit. That's the way it should be. I always add some lube. That is a big difference. Can you even hear it? Good tender. Now let's focus on these side rods. I think I might have a spare part laying around. Yeah, it needs to be Tomy. Perfect. The turn for Boco. Hitoy Company. Heavy. The battery is in here. Dead. Clean battery terminals. And I can see it works. It just needs some cleaning. Good, 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 good. Good deal, good deal. I like it. Boco. The turn for Toby. Look at the roof. Almost pretty cool. 1996 Tomy, but here it says 2005. Takes 1C battery and works. It needs nothing. Just some cleaning and Toby is good to go. Excellent. Stafford is the next engine, and this model is 2012 Mattel. Requires one AA battery, little dusty, and works. Good. I'm glad that it just needs a couple details and a little cleaning on some engines. Most of the engines are good so far. That's a good deal. And maybe a little touch up with oil-based marker. We are doing a big progress. There is Stafford. Next engine, Stepney. Didn't we just fix a Stepney somehow? I mean, a couple of days ago. Why is so? Oh, that's why it's so slow. Look at that build up. A lot of hair. It needs a little detailing. Yep. And some touch up. Look at that. A lot of touch up. That's why it's very slow. A close up. Look at that, guys. That was way too much. Stepney's motor, very good. Now let's put it back together. A train is passing by and making a lot of noise. I don't know if my camera picks it up. Do you guys even hear the motor? I can't even hear it. Good. Faster. Now a touch up. Big difference. Good, good, good. It looks a different Stepney. Just a little touch up on this Stepney's funnel and a little dusting, cleaning. Yep. Now look at the back. Good. Okay, Stepney is ready to hit my store or eBay. I'll see you later. Good, good, good. Lady is missing one of the wheels. Not bad, not bad. Battery terminals are good. No? Okay, let's find out what's going on. I'm giving 3 volts. Nothing happens. I guess I need to spin the motor. Now we can try again. Okay, it works. That's what it needed. I'm just gonna leave it spin for a couple seconds. I added some lube. Lady's motor should be good now. Good. Driving axle rod is good. Of course, missing one wheel and side rod. We are almost done with lady. Can I touch up those eyebrows? Let's find out. Take a closer look at this. Left one looks okay. That is way much better. So here is the mark. I told you, look at here. So you see that it's not another lady. And I think we are done. I'm going to leave it like that. Since this model is not really expensive, it's good to go. Good to go. Lady. Mighty Max motorized car. I don't know why it's like that. Oh man, you never should leave a battery inside. Front and back couplings are broken. While I'll fix this motor, I'm gonna wash this before and let it dry. Let's see if we can fix this corrosion. Well, it's not a lot actually. Yep, motor works. I'm using white vinegar and it looks like it was just a little dust. That's very clean. Looking good. Everything seems to be okay. And this motor is perfect. Wow, wow, wow. Very quiet. Nice. We are done with Mighty Max motorized coach. Works great. Fantastic. I hope you guys are ready for this. Look at that. What? There's somebody put this model in sand or something. Definitely is not working. I can use this for parts, but I'm gonna give it a try, see if I can fix it. I think Salty went to the sea or something. What? Oh my. Well, motor works. That's good. Just need some cleaning. Deep cleaning, actually. Parts, wash and dry. Okay, that sounds good. I thought I will never fix it. It was in really bad shape. Excellent. So far so good. And then we have a Molly Stender Mattel. It looks clean. Works great. I'm going to change that cog. It is not really loud, but I don't like how it sounds. It is a tough one. New cog. Very good. That sounds good. Works. Now I have a spare part. I'm talking spare engine, Molly, and we have the complete set. Mattel, of course. Mattel right there. Great. We have another Molly. Not bad, not bad. I might replace the decals later. Tomy 2002 Harvey's motorized coach. Look at that, guys. Exploded. It seems that it don't want to start up. Oh, it works. Oh, that's great. And it barely makes noise. Good. I just need a front coupling and we are good to go. Look what I found on these spare parts from Emily. Here is the motorized coach, and I found a spare part, Harvey. So we have the complete set now. Very smooth, very quiet. Coach, excellent, excellent. The last model on this lot is Edward. Obviously, wires are snapped, and I think we are going to just custom furnace railway. Oh look, I have a spare battery cover. Excellent. Yeah, I don't need to do this right now because I'm going to paint everything, so we are going to leave that for another video. So far so good. We have a lot today. Thanks for watching.